noticed how the things you used to do are changing quietly? Standing in long queues, filling endless forms, calling a customer care and waiting for someone to answer quietly. And when change happens quietly, many of us don't realize until we are left behind. So today I want to talk about 10 jobs that AI is likely to replace. And this is not to scare you in any way. It is to show you where the shift is happening and how you can move with it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a place where we talk about career growth and how to use AI to your advantage, how to navigate this journey with the tools that are available. And if that triggers you in any way, subscribe. You're in the right place. Our first job is data entry clerks. For a long time, data entry was an honest work. Typing forms, uploading records, entering numbers carefully. But today, AI doesn't get tired. It scans documents, reads handwritings, and uploads everything in seconds. For example, an office that used to employ 5 data clerks now uses one AI tool and one person to supervise it. This doesn't mean that data entry clerks are now useless. No. It means that entering data alone is not enough. So if this is your job, what do you do? If you already understand the data, that's good. Then take another step. Learn Excel, data interpretation, reporting. Be the person that understands data and not just entering it. Job number 2, call center agents. We've all been there. You call a customer care and a calm voice answers immediately. It sounds human, but it isn't. AI now handles balance checks, simple complaints, frequently asked questions. For example, telecom companies are now using WhatsApp bots instead of large call center teams. But here is the thing, AI is good at understanding data, but it is bad at understanding situations, frustrations, fears, and urgency. So what do you do if you're a call center agent? Number 1, move towards complex support, escalation handling, customer relationships, where empathy still runs. That is your power. Number 3, receptionist for basic front desk roles, signing in visitors, booking appointments, directing people where to go. AI systems now do this quietly. For example, there are offices now that are using digital visitor systems instead of a front desk person. For a receptionist who sits and waits, the role is shrinking. And if you're the receptionist, what do you do? Add skills like office coordination, scheduling, communication, administration, decision making. Be the person that keeps the office running, not just waiting for people. Number 4, bank tellers for routine transactions, deposits, withdrawals, school fees, balance inquiry. We all know that mobile money changed that very fast. AI is simply finishing the job. Many people now go to banks for advice and other things, not the basic transactions. So if you're a bank teller, shift towards digital banking support. That is where you will shine with AI. Number 5, bookkeepers for basic accounting. Once upon a time, bookkeeping meant recording everything manually. Now softwares do this quietly. For example, small businesses are now using accounting apps instead of hiring full-time clerks. But notice this, business owners are still struggling with understanding numbers. So if you're a bookkeeper, move from bookkeeping to financial support, tax advisory, or business insights. Number 6, travel agents for ticket-only roles. People no longer need help booking flights. They need help deciding where to go and why. Someone can book a ticket online, but still needs advice on visas, timing, and experience. So become a travel consultant, not just a booking agent. Sell insight and not just tickets. Number 7, journalists for basic reporting. AI can now write news, summarize events, all those things. We've seen it, not so? But remember, AI cannot sit with someone and ask them hard questions. It does not tell stories. It doesn't. For example, AI can write sports scores, but it cannot sit with an athlete and ask them questions. So what do you do if you're a journalist? Focus on storytelling, investigation analysis, voice. That is your power. Number 8, translators for common languages. We all know that AI translates instantly, but remember, it does not understand culture or context. For example, a legal or medical translation still needs a human because any slight error can cost a life. So if you're a translator, specialize, go deep, be the translator that AI cannot replace. Number 9, sales agent for cold calling. AI can now send follow-ups, track leads, reminds clients, but remember, it cannot build trust. People still buy from people that they trust, brands that have made their name. So if you're a sales agent, learn relationship selling, build trust, negotiation skills. That is where AI cannot replace. Number 10, security monitoring, CCTV watching. Remember, AI never blinks, it never looks away. It detects motion, faces, and unusual behavior instantly. So one security analyst now monitors what AI flags, not endless screens. So if this is your area, move into risk assessment, security analyst, or system insight. If you notice something, all these jobs are not disappearing completely. They are simply evolving. And the people who will survive are the people who are quick to adapt and learn. Be that type of person. Thank you so much for watching this far. It's always a pleasure having you. If you liked anything from this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe. This is a safe place for you. And let me know in the comment section which job you're doing and how you think AI is most likely to replace it. See you next time.